Good morning. In this video, we are going to continue with chapter 14 statistics. In the previous video, we had already seen how to find mean using direct mean method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. And we had also seen how to calculate mode for grouped data. Now, let us move on to median. Median is a measure of central tendency which gives the value of the middlemost observation in the data. Median of ungrouped data, which you had already seen, if suppose the number of data is odd, then the median will be n plus 1 by 2th observation. If n is even, median is average of n by 2th and the n by 2 plus 1th observation. That is n by 2th observation by n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Before we move to median, we need to understand the concept of cumulative frequency. So here you can see the intervals and the number of students, the total being 53. For finding cumulative frequency, there are two types of cumulative frequency. The first type is cumulative frequency of less than type. In this, we are going to consider the upper limit. For example, 0 to 10, upper limit is 10. So we will write less than 10. 0 to 10, so less than 10, the whole of 5 students will come here in the cumulative frequency column. For the next one, it would be less than 20, which is the upper limit. Less than 20 will include 0 to 10 as well as 10 to 20. So that would be 5 plus 3, which is 8. Same way for less than 30, it's going to be all the 3. We have to add everything. So 8 plus 4, 8 is up to 20. Now plus 4, so we will get up to 30, less than 30. Same way for 40, we'll add up to 40. We will get 15, 50, 18, less than 60, 22, less than 70, 29, less than 80, 38, less than 90, 45, and less than 100 would be 53. So that would give you the total frequency. Now, the second type, cumulative frequency of more than type. In this, we are going to consider the lower limit. So, marks and number of students are given to us. From that, we will write more than or equal to the lower limit. More than or equal to 0 would be everything. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, everything is more than 0, isn't it? So complete. So the total will come in the first itself in more than or equal to column. In the frequency, cumulative frequency of more than type, first entry itself would be the total frequency. Next, more than or equal to 10. So above 10, everything will be considered. So we have to subtract 5 because 5 will not be there. So 53 minus 5, 48. Now more than or equal to 20, 20 to 30, above all this. So these two has to be subtracted. So from the previous one, we just subtract 3 and we get 45. So on, when we continue, we will get 15 minus 7 equal to 8. That would be the last entry, which will be the same as the frequency given over there. So median of grouped data is given by median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H, where L is the lower limit of median class, N is the number of observations, CF is the cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class, F is the frequency of median class, and H is the class size. Here also, it is under the assumption that the class size are equal. Exercise 14.3, question number 3. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So here age as in below 20, below 25, that is the cumulative frequency is given here and we are required to find the frequency table. So for that, it is a cumulative frequency of less than type, which is represented with the upper class limit. So first column, we are having the given age in years, then age intervals. Now here, it was already given that you need to have equal class size. The first entry is 18 to 20, not 15 to 20. That is because it is considered only for 18 years and above. But even if we are going to write 15 to 20 over here, 15 to 18 people, age people, are not going to get the insurance. So anyway, the answer would be 0. So it will not affect your frequency. But here since it starts with 18, we are writing 18. Even if it is 15, the frequency will not change. So we are taking equal class size only over here. Class size is 5. So we got the policy holders from the frequency. Below 20 means exactly as such we will have. Below 25, so we'll have for below 20 also. We are going to subtract it. So on, we will get the frequency table from the cumulative frequency. Now, we have the capital N, which is the total number of frequency to be 100. Cumulative frequency just greater than n by 2. 100 by 2 will be 50. And cumulative frequency of that is 78. Let us see the table again. In the cumulative frequency column, half of 100 is 50. Now, which is nearby 50 over here? 45 and 78. We have to take a number bigger than 50. So we will choose 78 as our cumulative frequency. And the median class is 35 to 40. So 78 is our cumulative frequency we are choosing. Corresponding to that, 35 to 40 is our median class. So the lower limit of the median class is 35, class size is 5. Frequency of the median class. So let us see, frequency of the median class is 33. So that we have over here. And now cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Median class is 35 to 40. Preceding that is 30 to 35. Cumulative frequency of that is 45. So that would be our CF. Now, why are we finding the cumulative frequency first? To identify the median class. But that is not our CF. The class, the CF preceding to that median class will be our CF. Don't get confused here. First, we are taking the total number and taking the cumulative frequency larger than the half of it. That is just to identify which is the median class. That is not our CF. The previous CF, the preceding CF will be our cumulative frequency. Okay, so again, let us have a look at the table. 100, half of 100 is 50, a bit bigger than 50 is 78. We are identifying the median class, lower limit, frequency, but CF is the preceding one, 45. Okay. Now we'll substitute that in the formula. Median equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So 35 plus 100 by 2 minus 45 by 33 into 5. Solving, we get 35.78 to be our median. Moving on to exercise 14.3, question number 6. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabets in the surnames was obtained as follows. The table gives number of letters and number of surnames. Determine the median number of letters in the surnames. find the mean number of the letters in the surnames, and also find the modal size of the surnames. So in this, three questions are combined in one: median, mean, and mode. They haven't mentioned any particular method for mean, so we can use any of the three methods. Now, let us move on to the solution. So first, let us find the mean. So we have the class intervals, the frequencies, and then we form the cumulative frequency over here. So first would be 6, and next we will add them: 30 plus 6, 36, 36 plus 40, 76, 76 plus 16, 92, 92 plus 4, 96, 96 plus 4, 100. Finally, we got the total frequency over here. Now, 100 is your total number. Half of 100 is 50. A little bit more than 50, 76. So, our median class will be 7 to 10. And frequency is 40. Cumulative frequency is the preceding one, 36. So, let us see over here. N is 100. Half of that is 50. A little more than that, 76. Just to identify the class. 7 to 10. Lower limit L of the median class is 7. Class size is 3. Frequency is 40 and cumulative frequency is 36. Now we substitute that in the median formula: L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Substituting the values, we get the median to be 8.05. Now we have to find mean and mode. So let us find the mean first. We are using step deviation method here. You can use any of the three methods, doesn't matter. So we have the intervals and the frequency. Sigma Fi is 100. Now class mark Xi will be 1 plus 4 by 2. That would be 5 by 2, so 2.5. Your class marks can be in decimals also. Now the middle of this we will take as assumed mean. Here we have taken 11.5. Then I told you before, there is no need to have a DI column. We are directly going to find UI over here. Would be equal to Xi minus E by H. And the values are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Fi UI, multiply the frequency and UI. We get the answer and then add all of them. We will get minus 106. Now, all we are left is to substitute in the formula. Class size is 3. X bar equal to A plus H into sigma Fi UI by sigma Fi. A is 11.5 plus H is 3 into minus 106 by 100. We get the answer to be 8.32. Now we are left with mode. The number of letters and the number of surnames are given, which is the maximum 40. So the class corresponding to that, 7 to 10. Lower limit is 7. Class size 10 minus 7 would be 3. Frequency of the model class is F1 40, F0 preceding one 30, F2 succeeding one 16. We'll substitute in the formula: mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Substituting the values, we get 7.88 to be our answer. So hence, we have found the median number of letters in surname is 8.05, mean number of letters in surname is 8.32, and modal size of the surname is 7.88. With this, we have come to the end of this session. Let us continue in the next video. Thank you.